Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your PlayStation. So let's get started. First of all, go right into your store. And then from our store, we're going to take a look at our PS Plus membership. So we do get a couple games for free every single month with your PS Plus membership, which you need in order to play a ton of games online anyways. So right here we have these 3 free games. And yeah, they are full games. They're not trials. And they are only available for this month. The next month we're gonna have another batch of free games. So this tells you when it ends. So in this case, this one will end on February the 1st. So right now I can just add it to my library, never add it to your cart or else it's not gonna work. If you add it to your library and then download it, it's gonna be free. So it should say right now free, as you can see in my screen. Just click on OK. We can go ahead and download it, or we can download it later on. It's up to you. However, I do really want to see how big this is. Although it's telling me that it's 2.53 gigs, I don't always believe them. Sometimes it's a lot more. So we're just going to download that. We're going to go into our next game. Of course, if that's all you guys wanted to do, just go ahead and skip everything. But here's the other game that we have. And again, this is fully free. It's not a trial. It's not a demo. It's free forever. As long as you guys have PlayStation Plus membership, you get to keep this game. And you can download it, delete it, re-download it anytime you like. I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Now, I have noticed with some games, it doesn't just let me add it to my library. It's kind of odd. It only gives me the option to download, which is fine, because even if you don't really want the game right now, you can stop the downloading progress, and later on, it's already in your library, so you can re-download it later on. This one, it does give me that option, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my library, and I'm also gonna download it. Again, it should say free. And we're going to see exactly how big this is. Again, this one's telling me that it's 16.94 gigs, which is okay. And in this case, let's just go all the way back. We're going to go right into my library. I'm going to take a look at those games right now. Alright, so I can already see those games popping up here. However, if I go down to PlayStation Plus, that's going to be all the games that have been downloaded before. My library, PlayStation Plus. And I can download them again because a lot of them, as you guys can see, I already deleted them. I needed the space for sure. And these are all of them. But anyways, the 3 games that I'm downloading at the moment, they're right here. So let's just click on this one, for example, just to see how big it is. Now, you could start a game usually before it fully downloads, if it downloaded up to a certain point. So maybe a full game, maybe it's 30 gigs. Maybe just at the 20 gigs, maybe 10 gigs, you get to play it anyways. I would still just wait until it fully downloads. So this one's telling me that it's 47 gigs. Quite big. Let me just go back and we're going to take a look at the other ones. Let's take a look at this guy and it should tell me how many gigs it is. That one's saying 5 gigs. However, let me just click on it. I want to see if that's actually true. No, it is 5 gigs. Okay, now we're going to go back. And the last one. And this one should be telling me that it's only 16.9 gigs. Yep, and at 10 gigs, I can actually go ahead and start playing the game. Anyways, as far as this video goes, that's it. Make sure to download these games right now before they're over, or else just wait for the next month where we get another fresh new batch of free games. And again, I can delete these games anytime and then just download them later on, just like I have with all these other games actually. I already delete them off my system, but I can just re-download them and play them since I already claimed them and they are in my library. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.